In this video, you are going to see how to make this creative welcome slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Let us go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape Fill and select this fill color, blue-gray, text to darker 25%. Now again go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here. And let us write here welcome. Select the text, change the font to Montserrat extra bold and change the font size to 120 point and increase the text box size. Select the text, make it center. Now let us select the rectangle shape and hold down the Ctrl key and select the text box. Go to Shape Format, go to Align Center and Align Middle. Now we have to duplicate this text box. Click on over here and press Ctrl D to duplicate. And change the font size to 20 point and let us write here to presentation and place it over here. Now select the text, go to the character spacing, go to more spacing and make it 25 point and place it like this. Now click on the rectangle shape, hold down the Ctrl key and select the text box and select this one. Now go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shape and click on Subtract. Now click on the shape, go to Shape Format, go to Shape Effect, go to Shadow and choose this option, Offset Center. Now we have to add an image. Go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Let us select this image. I have created using ChatGPT. Click on Insert, then the image will be inserted and make sure it covers the whole slide. Now click on the image, go to Animation, go to Add Animation, choose Grow and Shrink. Go to Animation pane, click on over here, go to Effect option and click on Auto Reverse and go to Timing and choose until end of the slide and go to over here and make it with previous. Now click on it and send it to back. Now we have to add a transition. Click on this shape, go to Transition and choose Box and this is perfect. Now let us watch the slideshow from here. And here you will see this is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.